Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make kefir grains from kefir milk. Kefir grains are a fascinating symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast, essential for creating delicious, probiotic-rich kefir. We will go through the simple steps to cultivate your own new grains, ensuring you always have a thriving culture for your homemade fermented drinks. It is a rewarding process that expands your kefir-making capabilities. To begin, you will need just a few simple items. First, gather about 1 cup of fresh, active milk kefir. Next, select a clean, clear glass jar, ideally with a wide mouth for easy access. You will also need a breathable cover, such as a coffee filter or a piece of cloth, secured with a rubber band. Always ensure all your equipment is meticulously clean to prevent any unwanted bacterial growth. Now, let's start the cultivation. Pour approximately 1 cup of your fresh milk kefir into the clean glass jar. Cover the jar loosely with your breathable material, securing it with a rubber band. This allows air to circulate while keeping out contaminants. Place the jar at room temperature, ideally between 68 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 24 to 48 hours, or until it visibly thickens. After fermentation, it is time to harvest. Gently strain the thickened kefir through a fine mesh sieve to separate any newly formed, tiny grains. You might see small, gelatinous clumps. Rinse these new grains very gently with a small amount of fresh milk, not water, to keep them active. Store your new grains in fresh milk in the refrigerator if you plan a break from daily kefir making, changing the milk every few days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.